Hi, hi, sponges. It's Taylor. Wow, that's a really weird intro. It's been a minute since I sat down to film. Let's just get into it. I'm not prepared at all for this. I completely forgot foundation existed. Don't forget to give it a good old Okay. This'll be interesting. It's not damp. Be right back, guys. It's damp now. Let's get into it. Today, I want to do a quick, simple back to school look. And this is because, well, it's back to school season. I go back tomorrow. So let's just frickin' do it. I'm starting off with this medium to full coverage foundation because of course I am. That's making a mess. Okay. Now, something that I've learned recently is that if you start on the outside and build your way in, or from the inside and work your way out, you'll have a much better base. And what I've noticed with like this less is more kind of deal is that it just looks more soft and effortless and just altogether more natural. Next step is concealer, and again, I'm going for more, less is more in this case, and we're just gonna put some there. Highlight a bit on the nose and here. You know, forget. Maybe put a little bit there. But really, you don't need that much. I closed this. Look at that. That's literally an effortless beauty. Like, when I started doing less, it just looked so much better on me. For me personally, of course. It might not work for you. But, you know, give it a try, just in case. Like, you never know. Now, what I'm not gonna do is I'm not gonna, like, set it in place, because you don't actually need setting powder. I've been watching a lot of Robert Welsh. Good God. Now, I will be bronzing just a little bit. We're just gonna add some color just where the sun would hit. A little bit on my nose, because God knows the sun hits there. Just some color to your face. There we go. It's done. Effortless. Beautiful. Amazing. Immaculate. Now I will be going in with just a little bit of blush. I'm using this NYX Cream Blush in Hot Pink. I'm using just a little bit of flush. Just a bit of blusher, you know? Add a little bit more color to your skin. And kind of bring up my face a little more. I like to put it on my nose for just a little bit more color there. And it just works so effortlessly together. And, you know, it's just back to school. Like, you don't need to look like a full beat all the time, especially at school where, like, you have to wake up at 5 a.m. to do that, and it's just not fun. Next up is, you know, I'm thinking, you know, what if I just put on just a little bit of, like, just to sculpt out that general shape. And by doing this, I'm creating a natural new shape to my eyelid, to my crease and my eyelid, just by some general, simple contour. And now finally, illuminator, or as we like to call it, highlighter. Just to add some of that natural sheen back to my face. Now, my face doesn't naturally have a lot, so I'm just gonna put just enough so that there's a potential for light to hit it. But really, it's just to add a little bit more light onto my face. Never put it in the center of your forehead. I might put a little bit on my lids, actually, because lids are naturally oily. And next, we're gonna do a little bit of mascara. Because of course we are. This wouldn't be my video if I wasn't crying because of mascara. That's all. Just a little bit. Alright, now that our eyes and our face is done, let's move on to lips. First, I want to hydrate. Naturally, we don't want them to be dry or cracked, so let's put a little bit of chapstick on. And now, this. It's like basically the same color as my lips. And that's my back to school makeup tutorial all done. I hope you learned some things, like this is a tutorial after all. I would really like it if you hit the like button down below to let me know that you like this kind of stuff. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button, maybe the bell while you're down there, and leave a comment. It won't waste your time too much. Just do it. Thank you. I will see you all in a bit. Bye!